Hi, welcome to mathematics. In this video, we want to solve for a in square root of a plus square root of minus a equals 32. Let's see solution. We have square root of a plus square root of minus a equals 32. So from here, we can transfer this to the other side. So we have square root of a equals 32 minus square root of minus a. So from here, we can square both sides. Let's say squaring both sides, and we will have square root of a square equals 32 minus square root of minus a square, right? So from here, you see that this we cancel this. So we have a equals 32 minus a square, right? So here, let's remember that this is the same as having x minus y square. So which is equals to x squared plus y squared minus 2xy, right? So let's see that this one is x and this one is y. So if you apply this to this, we will have a equals 32 square plus square root of minus a square, right? Minus 2 times 32, then times minus a, right? So you see that this we cancel this. So we have a to be equals 32 square will give us 1024 minus a minus 2 times 32 will give us minus 64. So then if you multiply it with this, we have root minus a. So from here, we can transfer this a to this side. So we have a plus a equals 1024 minus 64 root minus a, right? So this is what 2a equals, and if you look at this place, we have a common factor which is 2. So all we left here, we have 512 minus 32 root minus a. So from here now, we divide both sides by 2 by 2. This will cancel this, so we have a to be equals 2 divided by 2 will give us 1. So we have 512 minus 32 roots minus a, right? So we can transfer this to this side. So we have a minus 512 equals minus 32 root minus a, right? So also from here we can square both sides. So let's say squaring both sides, and if you do, we are going to have a minus 512 square equals minus 32 root minus a, right? So this will becomes a square plus 512 square minus 2 times a times 512, right, is equals to, this will be, sorry, we have to square it, minus 32 square times square root of minus a square. So we will have a square plus 512 square, right? So if we multiply this, we are going to get minus 1224a equals, this square will cancel this square root, so and minus 32 square will give us 1024 times minus a. We have 1024 times minus a, right? So we have a square plus 512 square, right? So this is equals, so this will have, if you multiply it, you are going to have minus 1024a. So then transfer this here, we have plus 1024a. So if you see this, you see that this will cancel this and that will become 0, right? So we have a square plus 512 square equals 0, right? So to move further, so I appreciate you for watching, guys. So my great fan, you can also super to support this channel. It helps me to create more content you love. Because I see every super thanks, I'll make sure to give you a shout out in my next video. So let's move further. If we transfer this here, we have a square equals minus 512 square, right? So if we square root both sides of this, we have square root of a square equals square root of minus 512 square, right? Yeah. So from here we have this cancel this. So we have a equals, this will be minus 512 square times minus 1, right? So and we have a to be equals plus or minus square root of 512 square times square root of minus 1. You see that this will cancel this, so we have a equals plus or minus 512, right, times square root of minus 1. But to recover one complex number, that our high iota equals square root of minus 1. So we have a to be equals plus or minus 512 high. So therefore our a is equals 512 high, or a equals minus 512 high. So these are answers. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Kindly like and leave a comment, and don't forget to share with your friends and network. Do well to also subscribe to my channel to stay updated on my next video. Bye.